what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video pag-uusapan natin ng isang crypto exchange na unti-unting napapansin globally. So kung ikaw ay crypto trader, mahilig sa future trading, or naghahanap ng bagong exchange na may malakas na liquidity at security focus, this video is for you. Quick reminder and disclaimer lang guys, this video is for educational purposes only. Always do your own research before trading crypto. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell button for more updates sa ating channel. Alright, let's go! So ano nga ba ang Ecobit Exchange? Ang Ecobit ay isang globally crypto trading platform na currently nag-serve ng users sa 20 plus countries with more than 100,000 registered users. Ang isa sa pinaka-impressive dito, over 300 million average daily trading volume ang meron sila. Ang meaning na yan guys, hindi low liquidity exchange, mas smooth ang trades, less slippage, lalo na sa future. This makes Ecobit a platform na target talaga ang professional level trading experience. Trading feature nila guys ay liquidity. So now let's talk about trading features kasi dito nagkakaalam ang mga crypto exchange or trading. So reminder lang, high leverage, high risk talaga sa mga trading. So gamitin lang kung ano ang alam na ginagawa mo. And deep liquidity, million level order book depth, consistently sub 1 BPS spreads. Simple explanation guys, mas dikit ang buy and sell, mas efficient ang entry at exit. Mas trader friendly lalo na sa scalping. About naman sa spot and futures environment, whether smart trader ka or futures trader ka, Ecobit is designed para sa fast execution at stable performance. So ito yung pinaka-main website nila. Sa mga interesado, you can check out their website for all details, everything about this platform. About naman sa compliance and security focus, so ito nga guys, isa sa pinaka-importanting part, kahit anong exchange ay compliance at security. Good news, compliance first approach ang Ecobit is what they've been working on. MSB registration. Registered as money services business sila guys. MSB, United States yan, and Canada. This is big deal kasi hindi lahat ng exchange may ganitong registrations. BASP registration. Ito guys, ongoing pa kanilang registration dito. Progress sa Czech Republic. Sa South Korea compliance naman guys, technical compliance integration with Code Verify, API level connectivity with Coin1 for compliance related infrastructure. Ang meaning niyan guys, may active effort ang Ecobit na sumusunod sa regulator frameworks ng iba't ibang bansa. They're also continuously improving internal controls, security architecture, regulatory coordination. All these are aimed for long-term platform stability, hindi lang short-term hype. O sino nga ba si Ecobit and para saan siya? So ito guys, intermediate to advanced traders, futures traders na need ng mga deep liquidity, users na may priority and security compliance, trader na gusto ang professional grade trading environment. Kung beginner ka, possible pa rin, pero recommended ko na mag-aral ka muna bago gumamit ng high leverage. And for the social media links and community guys, you can visit their website and yung Linktree naman nila, you can check it out their Linktree and X account. You can follow them for more updates. YouTube din guys, meron sila YouTube para sa mga video tutorial, guides, and Telegram community para sa mga gusto makapag-communicate with other users in different country and may mga problem kayo, you can ask the admin and support. Always important, reminder lang, use official links to avoid fake sites and scams. Alright, paano nga ba tayo mag-create ng account dito? Click may link down below lang and then click register. Ito guys, input mo lang kung ano gusto mo. Google or phone, pwede ring direct Google account, pwedeng Apple ID, pwedeng Telegram. After nyan, huwag niyong kalimutan i-use yung referral code ko para sa mga ibang bonuses ay makasali kayo. Alright guys, after nyo mag-register, paano tayo mag-deposit dito? Napaka-basic lang. Punta ka lang sa inyong overview ng ating assets and then piliin mo lang itong deposit. Dito guys sa deposit, same way lang, same method lang ng different na ibang mga crypto wallets. Dito guys, kailangan mo lang piliin yung currency na gusto mo, USDT, I suggest, but marami silang available na currencies. And then next, yung chain name which is yung network natin. Piliin mo lang kung TRC ba, BIP20, and ERC. Ang pinakababang gas fee dito is BIP20. Ayan, example yan guys, top up na nga ako dito ng 150. Dito naman, kailangan mo lang i-copy tong address na to, deposit address. Andyan mo kailangan i-send yung pera. From your Gcrypto or Binance Man, kung ano mang gamit mong crypto wallet, dyan mo siya kailangan i-send yung pera. Then after nyan guys, wait mo lang mag-reflect yung deposit mo rito. Kailan ka basic mag-deposit. For withdrawal naman, if you want to withdraw, same ways lang din. Punta ka lang sa assets mo, overview, click withdraw. Sa withdrawal naman guys, ayan, piliin mo lang yung currency mo. Meron silang dalawang ways, on-chain and internal, which is internal naman para sa mga kapwa mo user dito sa Ecobit. Pwede email, phone number, and UID. For on-chain naman guys, withdraw, like sa ibang crypto exchange or wallet, use this one. Piliin mo lang currency na gusto mo. Then yung chain name, dapat tama yan sa pag-depositan mo. And then withdraw wall address. So kailangan mo lang i-copy yung address mo doon sa crypto wallet mo na gusto mong i-withdraw yung pera mo dito. And i-paste mo lang dito guys. Pati yung amount. Example, ayan, 10. Then yan, withdraw mo lang siya guys. And wait mo lang pumasok yung withdrawal nyo guys. And if you really want to trade, meron tayong iba't ibang klase ng trading. May spot, may features, may copy trading, and other event naman dito guys, mga features, yung campaign nila, events, referral program, and marami pang iba. So now, let's go to the spot. So basically guys, yung spot, ito naman sa mga baguhan lang dyan, dito pwede kayong mag-buy and sell ng mga cryptocurrencies without getting a high risk, which is hindi mataas yung risk. Depende pa rin sa token, possible pa rin na mataas yung negative mo or yung loss mo rito, mataas din yung profit mo. But ito guys, mababa lang yung leverage nito, so wala siyang leverage, not like sa futures. Dito nga kailangan mo lang mag-buy if you want to hold the tokens for long term. Ito yung guys I suggest spot. Meron tayong Bitcoin, meron tayong iba't ibang cryptocurrencies, may mga bago din. Low price, pwede mo silang i-buy at a low price and i-hold mo siya weeks o months sa tingin mo kung tataas ba, and then possible din magka-profit ka. Kung bababa man guys, ay lang, bawas lang na konti sa inyong pera. Meron tayong limit, meron din tayong market buy. So the next one is futures. Ito yung tinatawag na futures trading. Dito na nga, meron tayong mga different risks. May low risk, may high risk. Depende sa leverage. Yung leverage guys, ay yung times na ginagamit mo for the trading. So live talaga siyang trading guys. If bumagsak yung price, maapektuhan yung trading mo dito. Which is talagang real time siya. Pwede kang pabili ng cryptocurrencies. Ayan, I suggest USDT M. If you newly beginner talaga, you can try the demo trading naman. Same way lang. Piliin mo lang kung cross ba or isolated. I suggest cross. Then 5x din, pwede kayo mag-start up as you can start sa 5x, 1x, up to 200x naman kapag professional ka na. Alright, you can trade open and close. And right here, meron tayong limit, may market and trigger. Piliin mo lang kung ano gusto mong amount. You can set TP and SL and open or open short. Ilang guys, kayong bahala. But dito nga, hindi ko matuturo sa inyo lahat. Yung full guide and tutorial about sa trading sa futures. Suggest ko na lang mag-research kayo about this and pag-aralan nyo muna using demo trading. So, let's proceed naman sa campaign nila. Sa campaign naman guys, pwede kayo sumali dito. Free lang. Meron din mga requirements. Syempre, kailangan nyo mag-deposit kanyan or trading. Meron tayo in progress ngayon. Trade to earn points. Share of $12,500. Price pool. Pwede nyo kayo mag-tune dito guys. View nyo lang. Ayan, register kayo dito. First at all, ayan. Then, follow nyo lang tong kanilang requirements. Yung kanilang rules. Para kayo ay manalo dito. So, hindi ko na siya check guys. Kayo na bahala kung interesado ba kayo. Ito naman yung kanilang price reward mechanism. Pati yung gift bonus usage. Pati yung kanilang terms and condition. Di lang yan, meron pa tayong sa itong 2026 New Year Futures Trading Competition naman. Para sa mga competitive to guys sa trading. You can register now if you're interested. Share of 50,000 USDT naman to. Ito yung price pool natin guys. Mahahati yan. Depende sa price pool natin and amount. At yung leaderboard natin guys, ROI and trading volume. Kaya lang guys, if you want to join, Make sure to read the rules muna para maging eligible kayo and makakuha kayo ng rewards dito. Meron pati for the upcoming naman, you can check out the upcoming pati yung ended. Sa more naman guys, meron tayong promotion and resources, meron din program. Pwede kayo mag-learn dito, Ecobit Labs for the support Web3 innovations, listing application if meron kayong mga project, if you want to list your coin, pwede apply. Affiliate program naman guys para sa may mga team, gusto mag-create ng team ng mga traders, pwede kayo mag-apply dito guys, mataas yung makukuha nyong commissions. Pwede rin referrals lang, which is mag-invite ka ng mga friends nyo gusto mag-trade spot, features, pwede yan guys. Meron din tayo reward center, which is complete tasks and claim perks. Ito guys, yung mga claim yung mga perks nyo. USDT yan guys, pwede nyo maklaim. Pwede nyo i-withdraw yung profit sa trading. And for the announcement naman, check here lang naman. Ayan, para sa mga new events and marami pang iba. Yun lang guys ang Ecobit. So same lang din siya ng Binance and other crypto exchange. So as of now, wala pa silang P2P for the buy and sell ng crypto. Meron na sila on-chain and internal transfer. And to all interested, let's check out this video lang guys. And ayun guys, nakalimutan ko, ito pala, Ecobit Cheers for the Winter Olympics pala. Meron silang share of $200,000 prize pool. Ito guys is giveaway to IC rewards to guys para sa Olympic Winters, which is global to guys. Basahin nyo na lang to kung sa ba interesado. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo sa screen natin. Ito yung ating mega prize. Ito yung event schedule natin guys for the early bird registrations and main event. Period. Ito guys yung kanang early bird exclusive perks para sa ating lahat sa Coleman or users. Limited lang yan, first 100 users. First come, first serve. Marami pa iba. May makuha tayong mga benefits guys and perks. Main event natin guys, ito yan. Basahin nyo na lang, 1 snowflakes, 1 gift rain attempt. Ito yung mga reward natin, how to obtain. Stackable din siya guys. Ito yung mga type. Marami pa iba. Prize pool natin guys, ito yung details for the prize pool. Instant, pwede nyo makuha yan. And yan, yung kanilang rules and terms dito guys. Yun lang naman. Kaya sa mga interesado, check it out Ecobit for more campaigns. If you want to trade, if you're looking for a new crypto wallet exchange, check it out this page guys. This platform. Thank you for watching. God bless and good vibes. See you in my next video. Peace out.